Hello friends, welcome to exercise 3.6 problem 1. These are the last two questions that we need to solve. Our questions are 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equals to 4 and 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equals to minus 2. So let us begin with our first question. Now you see here that these two equations are not in the form of the linear equations. So what we'll do is we'll just substitute 1 by x plus y and 1 by x minus y, as these are the only two parts that we can see here. This is 1 by x plus y and this is 1 by x minus y. So let 1 by x plus y equals to p and let 1 by x minus y equals to q. So our two equations becomes 10p plus 2q equals to 4 and 15p minus 5q equals to minus 2. So these are our two linear equations. Now we need to solve for p and q. So from equation 1 we have 10p plus 2q equals to 4. So let us take 10p on the right hand side. So it becomes 4 minus 10p. Hence our equation becomes q equals to 2 minus 5p as we divided by 2. Now we will substitute this value of q into equation 2. So we substitute the value of q in equation 2. Our equation 2 is 15p minus 5q equals to minus 2. So in the place of q we write 2 minus 5p. So it becomes 15p minus 5 times 2 minus 5p equals to minus 2. So solving this we get 15p minus 10 plus 25p equals to minus 2. So this gives us 40p equals to 10 minus 2, that is 8 by 40. So the value of p comes out to be 1 by 5. Now we put the value of p equals to 1 by 5 either in equation 1 or in equation 2. So here we put p equals to 1 by 5 in equation 1. Our equation 1 was 10p plus 2q equals to 4. So we put the value of p equals to 1 by 5 in the place of p. So it is 10 multiplied by 1 by 5 plus 2q equals to 4. So this gives us 2 plus 2q equals to 4. So solving this we get 2q equals to 2, hence the value of q comes out to be 1. So now we have the values of p and q. At first the value of p was 1 by x plus y and the value of q was 1 by x minus y. And now the value of p is 1 by 5 and the value of q is 1. So when you put this you get x plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. Now you just need to solve this system of linear equation to get the values of x and y. Now you see here that the coefficient of here y is minus 1 and the coefficient of y here is plus 1. So you can just add these two equations. So here we add equation 3 and 4. We get x plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 1. When you add this y and y will cancel out. X plus x gives us 2x and 5 plus 1 gives us 6. So the value of x comes out to be 3. Now you can put the value of x equals to 3 either in equation 3 or in equation 4. So from the equation we know that x plus y equals to 5. Now we put the value of x, that is 3 plus y equals to 5. So the value of y is 2. So our answer comes out to be x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Now let us move on to our last question. So our last question is 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equals to 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 times 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 times 3x minus y equals to minus 1 by 8. Now you see here that this is not in the linear form. What we can do is we can put 1 by 3x plus y as p and 1 by 3x minus y as q. So we put the values of p as 1 by 3x plus y and q as 1 by 3x minus y. So our equation becomes p plus q equals to 3 by 4 and p by 2 minus q by 2 equals to minus 1 by 8. Now we have a system of linear equation. Now we can solve this by either elimination or substitution or cross multiplication method. Now what we do here is we will multiply our equation 2 by 2 and then add it into equation 1. Now when you multiply equation 2 with the value of 2, this gives us p minus q equals to minus 1 by 4. Now we can add these two equations. So this plus q and minus q cancels out. This gives us 2p equals to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 gives us 2 by 4. So the value of p is 1 by 4. Now you can put p equals to 1 by 4 in equation 1. Our equation 1 was p plus q equals to 3 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus q equals to 3 by 4. So the value of q is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So q value is 2 by 4 hence the value of q is 1 by 2. So we have p equals to 1 by 4 and q equals to 1 by 2. Now in the beginning we saw that p was equals to 1 by 3x plus y and q was equals to 1 by 3x minus y. So 1 by 3x plus y will be equals to 1 by 4 and 1 by 3x minus y will be equals to 1 by 2. So we get that 3x plus y equals to 4 and 3x minus y equals to 2. Now this is the this we have the two equations in the linear form as 3x plus y equals to 4 and 3x minus y equals to 2. Now we see here that the coefficient of y here is plus 1 and the coefficient of y here is minus 1. So you can add these two equations and then get the value of x. So now here we add these two equations. This plus y and minus y gets cancelled out. This gives us 6x equals to 6. So the value of x is 1. Now you can put x equals to 1 either in 3x plus y equals to 4 or 3x minus y equals to 2. So we put 3x plus y equals to 4. So x equals to 1. So it is 3 multiplied by 1 plus y equals to 4. So the value of y is 4 minus 3, that is 1. So our final answer is x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. So this is the end of exercise 3.6 problem 1. We will be discussing the next question in the upcoming video. So that is all in this video. Thank you for watching.